Oh my god, I look so bad, but hey y'all, it's Vlogmas Day 22. Welcome to Vlogmas Week 4. Oh my gosh, we almost there, y'all. We almost there, and today is Friday. It's 1:48. I don't have much to do today. I'm gonna wrap another gift. My other packages came in today, this morning, and I'm gonna need to wrap that. I'll probably record that of me wrapping another package. Oh my god, this is the product that I am using my hair, but and cleaning. That's pretty much I had to do for today is cleaning most of the day, and then I do have to work tonight. I had to break down but that'll be tonight, that'll be later on. So pretty much we have a lot of free time today, which I like. Okay, so why not? I'll be doing my hair. I'll be doing like a slick back hairstyle, and I got my brush for my edges. Oh, I haven't done. I use this for my edges and these. Yeah, sometimes I use this to do like that. It can't get that down though. Okay, I see. That's what I'm talking about. See that? Man, got me some water. I had to use both of hands because my other water bottle is with my sister. Okay, that's much better. I like this slime. Oh my gosh. I like to use this slime and jam for my hair. This is a good product. I did some on my niece had it. I'm like, ooh, what's that? She told me where did she get it. So I'm like, yeah, I need that for my hair because I saw how she to make her hair look so slick. So like, yeah, I need that. I am planning on going to the movies tomorrow with my siblings and my niece to watch Beyonce film, her concert film. That's an amazing film. I cannot wait to watch that. Literally, this woman went on tour this year, and now she dropped a movie this year. Like, she did everything this year. This is so crazy. Why is she so busy? That's so crazy though. Y'all see that? Time for the edges. How can I do want to do like a big liquid edges. That's cute. But yeah, that's my hair looking like, y'all. I better go and clean up. Like, when I need to clean up, I'm gonna be washing dishes, and then clean up the living room that I have been in, and then I will be wrapping up the gift. And then later I will be going to work. Okay, so I'm here at the table. It's 3:18 on the dot. I think I'll be posting my Vlogmas Week 2 out very soon. But I just need to edit some things real quick. But y'all, I made my coffee. I'm kind of sad. The coffee just looks so plain. I don't have no whipped cream on top. I don't have no comments or caramel drizzle on the side. Like, it looked plain, but it tastes really good because this is hazelnut coffee, which I love. I feel I need more ice, to be honest. That one I didn't do. And then put my coffee in the. Ugh. That will taste so different. I usually, when I make coffee on the machine, and I put it, when it be done making it, I put it in the freezer to be a little bit cold. Then bring it out. Then put sugars and stuff and put ice and then make my coffee to make even cold. If you know what I'm saying. But I definitely need more ice in here because I love iced coffee. Well, I was about to export my video, but now I'm saying that I don't have enough space. So I need to go delete some stuff on my laptop. I hate it. Watching me, that's a secret. Like I did, and look at the kind of Hey y'all, it's VLOGMAS Day 23. Oh my god, literally we 2 days away for Christmas, but tomorrow is Christmas Eve. What the heck, y'all? It's kind of late. It's 9:58. On Saturday, yes, Saturday. Clearly I am watching Home Alone 2. Was in New York. Saw this part of this video, saw this vlog right here. I clean all day. I'm gonna vlog part of my day, but I was cleaning all day and I didn't really feel like putting the camera out, trying to get the angles for me cleaning, but I was actually cleaning the living room. So like, yeah, I just gonna wait. But yeah, the living room's clean. It's all clean, kind of halfway, but some stuff that I did to put it upstairs in my room. Yeah, it's kind of hot. But I'm like, man, I don't think I have much to do for this today. I know tomorrow. I don't know what we're gonna do tomorrow. Oh, I know. We will be going to Beyonce. We'll be going to watch the Beyonce movie tomorrow. Hopefully, I really want to watch it. I really do want to watch it. And then on Christmas Day, we'll be going to open to my brother, and we'll be doing Secret Santa, like I said. Yeah. Oh, I did. Yeah. I just hoping that the person that I got, they like the gift. I just hoping. But yeah, but I'm about to plan some YouTube videos for the next year, and this is start planning my 2024 vision board. Oh my god, that's so weird to say 2024. I'll be 24. That's crazy. Kind of sad. It's okay. Okay, I just got a call off about my camera talk, but I had no space in my SD card, but I'll fix it anyway. But yeah, I'm about to go start planning some YouTube video ideas for next month. I will talk about having 2 YouTube channels, like one of my reaction, kpop, some other stuff, my one not kind of random stuff on this channel that currently that I am on right now, but I am taking to do like beauty and mostly beauty and vlogs on my other channel. Hopefully that goes fast. So I really like trying to post a video out like on January 1st on that channel, like I did on my channel. So yeah, I just want to start something new, you know. So I definitely want to do that on my channel. I got to figure out a name. Oh my gosh, I forgot a name. Anyway, so yeah, that's what I'm about to do right now. Like for my channel, for my reaction, I know what type of video reaction I will be doing on that channel. Mostly K-pop reaction because I like K-pop. So and they, you know, people like my K-pop reaction. Okay, so I'm just gonna do that. I know what reaction I will be doing. But on my second channel, I gotta figure out what type of videos I will be doing. So yeah, I got my phone with me, so hopefully some ideas come on my phone. I don't have my laptop with me. My laptop literally upstairs in my room. I could have bring it. Didn't want to feel like Kevin it. So yeah, what about you? Just want some stuff down, you know? Hey y'all, it's Vlogmas Day 24. Today is Vlogmas Day 24 and it's Christmas Eve. Quay. See, like literally I'm looking at my candle right now. Scrap up Xing the day. Look at that. Literally it didn't have no more with the tutty, so I feel like a little scrap for the tutty first. But it's the 24th is a Sunday. Today's Christmas Eve. It's so gloomy outside, but it's okay. It's okay. Well, today I'm just cleaning up. Like I said, yesterday I was cleaning too, and cleaning up in my room. I'm still cleaning up. It's 2:17. I'm trying to think what to do today. Because we were planning on going to see Beyonce film today, but I don't know. It's a maybe. I don't know. I want to go so bad, but I don't know. Hopefully we can go. And I need to wash my clothes. I don't know. I don't think what to do today. I do want to sit down and watch the Apollo Express. One that was on TV is Not Meant for Christmas. It's on, then after that would be Dr. Seuss, The Grinch, had The Grinch Stole Christmas. They were about to come on next, but I do want to watch the Photo Express, but I do want to make like the Christmas Eve. You know what I mean? So I'm thinking about making me some hot cocoa. Hot cocoa with my Grinch. Look, you know what I mean? Making me a hot cocoa. Got some sweets. And then we can watch a movie with my covers. Like that's what I'm thinking about doing tonight. Maybe if anyone want to join me, they can. I mean, y'all of course are gonna join me. But yeah, hopefully we can do that tonight. And I definitely will be recording that. But y'all be coming with me. Y'all be coming with me this whole month of December until tomorrow. Tomorrow is the last Vlogmas day. Kind of crazy. I was planning on filming the whole month, but I ain't gonna do that. I want to, but I ain't gonna do that. But I do have 2 videos that will be posting before this year end, so that should be okay for you guys. I am planning on making 2 channels, so gotta make another video for that. So I'm doing my reaction videos. So yeah, it's a lot of going on. I do want to read a book today though. I might, when I finish cleaning up, put my clothes in the washing machine. I might just want to read a book. Drinking my juice, read a book. I might do that. But yeah, I kind of sad that we're not doing no Christmas activities, not Christmas festivals. We was playing. Kinda like ice skating. We don't want to go ice skating. I would like to go ice skating. I don't know. Kind of sad about it, but I'm trying to make this. I mean, we did wrap up gifts. This is my Secret Santa gift. Don't mind my trash can. I need to put some back in it. But yeah, I mean that one. We did went to Christmas shopping to call my room. But yeah, I do want to like go out and do something. But yeah, I'm gonna go wash my clothes and I'll be back to y'all. Oh no, I could see. Y'all probably will come back to me when I read my break. Chasing plans, guys. I will be going out with my brothers. We'll be going to Walmart we were talking about earlier that we need to go to Walmart. We need some stuff. So I am getting ready. This video on the way. Come to pick me up. Yeah, I done my hair. I to twist my hair like in quick ways, like. So I just, I'm not gonna take the whole thing apart. Is the one that I did. They came out pretty cute. But I'm not trying to like get all dressed up. Cause we just going to Walmart. But I do want to look decent at least, which I always like to do. Okay, I'm just gonna work. Definitely did. It's not really working how I want it, but it's okay. That's cute. Hey y'all, it's Vlogmas Day 25. It's the 25th of Vlogmas. Today is Christmas. Happy holidays from you all, if we ever celebrate or not. Happy holidays. Yeah, it's Vlogmas Day 25. Can't believe this is the last day of Vlogmas. Last day of week. Vlogmas week 4. It is 1 to the 8. I did have like a chill morning, but mostly sleep all morning. Sorry about that, my camera died on me. But yeah, like I was saying, I pretty much slept all morning. Pretty much I made breakfast. Now we pretty much chilling, watching Christmas movies right now. Later on, like I said, we'll be going to my brother's house doing Secret Santa. I can't wait to give a Secret Santa. And I can't wait to give them my bracelet. And then I did got something from my nephews and my niece. I got them like a little candy gift bag for them. Because why not? Do you like candy? Do we do like candy? Oh my god, y'all, I can't believe this is the last Vlogmas. Like I said, I do, oh my god, I haven't added Vlogmas week 3 yet. Let me go do that, and then week 4, and then I had 2 more videos to do for you guys for the last of the year. You know, I'm just gonna edit all day tomorrow for week 3 and then post it. So we still have time for the 2 other videos. I hope so. No, we do not. Oh my god, wow. So if I post it Wednesday, I do not. So I have 1 video for you guys for this year. New Year's like next week. Is not. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. This is my pajamas that I'm gonna wear in my brother's house. I will not be changing at all. But me and my brother was thinking about making hot cocoa. We'll be making hot cocoa and marshmallow on top of it. I don't know if you still want to do it. I mean, I don't mind doing it. But if y'all be coming with me, make me some. We be making hot cocoa, and I do got some like Christmas cupcake downstairs. It'd be so cute. I think we should do it. I know my brother. It's 1:42. We'll be at my brother's at 5, so we should have time. So if you go do that, and I didn't do my hair. I didn't mean to fossil my hair, y'all. And then we went to see Beyonce movie last night. It was kind of like, are we going on that? Are we going on that? But I do got a poster of it. The poster is downstairs. But oh my god, it was so good, y'all. Look, I took the picture, but it was so good, y'all. Look at her. She was, that movie has inspired me. Like, she inspired me again. Okay, I really enjoy watching that movie. The concept, the music, the movie theater, it was so good. I feel like I was back at the concert again. But yeah, so we shall go downstairs and figure out what we're gonna do, if we're gonna make some hot cocoa or not. Did y'all see?